Today I'm showing how to wash an engine. This is a 2001 Toyota Echo and the engine is really filthy. So I'm gonna pressure wash it with a pressure washer. The only thing that I cover is if you have spark plug cables on top, just be careful of that. Here we're lucky we have a cover, so we're good. So the only thing I'm gonna cover is the alternator, which is this guy. I'm just gonna put this piece here. Will block the water going in. The reason I use this instead of a bag, because bag will get blown away with the pressure washer. My pressure washer on, I'm gonna spray with some soap at first, and if you have any engine oil or anything, you could spray some degreaser. So just soap it. Now I could use the pressure washer to clean it up. It's much better if you do it with the engine cold. Now it's all nice and clean. Let's just do some more cleaning on the plastic parts. It's really optional, but you could use like an air blower to dry it out, but I'll just let it sit. So right now I don't drive it for like maybe 30 minutes, an hour, and just let it sit a little bit and then it should be fine. So